Hi Generals, now we're going to do the rainbow effect. So the first thing we want to do is create a new layer, double click to rename the new layer, rainbow, enter. We will scroll over so we can continue our stair stepping of each effect. We want to insert a keyframe, insert frame, and then insert keyframe where we want the animation to start. We're going to do something simple, but you can get as detailed as you want with your project. You can use the selection tool to move it where you would like it to be. And now we are going to change the color of this middle O to green. And we can change the outer W's to blue. Now I have wow spelt WOW, but the color is what's important, the blue, green, blue. So we want it to change from blue, green, blue to green, blue, green, back and forth, and I'm going to show you how to do that, the rainbow effect. So we need to click on this first keyframe, and a shortcut to copy everything that's on this keyframe to the next keyframe is F6. So now I have it on keyframe 1 and keyframe 2 of this effect. But for this second keyframe, I want to switch the colors. I want this one to be green and this one to be blue and this one to be green. You can see I'm using the eyedropper tool. It automatically pops up whenever I hit color. So now I have it backwards. So if I move my timeline back on these key frames, I get the effect that I'm looking for. But this is 24 frames a second. So this is not, you're not even going to be able to see this. So what I'm going to do is spread them out a little. So I'm going to highlight all of these and I'm just going to move them down. So now you'll see that it stays blue, green, blue for quite a few frames and then it switches, right? This is a little bit long, so I'm going to highlight these. I'm going to right click. I'm going to delete, remove frames. And then I want this effect to last longer. I want it to switch back and forth longer than it does. The easy way to do it, I'm just going to highlight all of them. Right click, copy frames. Click on the very next one. Paste frames. Click on the very next one. Paste frames. So now if I move my header there and press enter, I have my rainbow effect. Thank you, Generals.